Join me as I dive into the predictions for Apple stock in 2025 and see if I can accurately forecast where it's headed. Apple is one of the most watched and invested in companies in the world, so understanding where its stock is headed can be crucial for investors and enthusiasts alike. Predicting stock prices is never easy, and there are a lot of factors that can influence the price of Apple stock. The company's performance, industry trends, and global economic conditions all play a role. Apple is a particularly challenging company to predict because it's such a large and influential player in the tech industry. Its stock price can be affected by everything from new product releases to global trade policies. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions is also a major factor in its stock price. Historically, Apple has been able to stay ahead of the curve and consistently deliver innovative products that drive growth and revenue. However, the company is not immune to challenges and setbacks, and its stock price can be volatile at times. The tech industry is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. This can make it difficult to predict what's going to happen with Apple stock, as there are so many variables at play. Additionally, the global economy is always a factor, and economic downturns or upswings can have a significant impact on the stock market. Apple's stock price can also be influenced by the actions of its competitors, as well as by regulatory changes in government policies. The company's financial performance is also closely watched by investors, and any changes to its revenue or earnings can have a significant impact on its stock price. Many experts are weighing in with their predictions for Apple stock in 2025, and there are a lot of different opinions out there. Some analysts are predicting that the stock will continue to rise, driven by Apple's strong brand and loyal customer base. Others are more cautious, citing potential challenges such as increased competition and global economic uncertainty. Some experts are also looking at the company's upcoming product releases and predicting that they will drive growth and revenue. The company's services segment is also expected to continue growing, with Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Arcade all contributing to the company's bottom line. When it comes to predicting the future of Apple stock, there are a lot of different factors to consider. The company's financial performance, industry trends, and global economic conditions all play a role. Apple's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions is also crucial. The company's strong brand and loyal customer base are major strengths, but it also faces challenges such as increased competition and regulatory scrutiny. Some experts are predicting that Apple stock will reach new heights in 2025, driven by the company's growing services segment and its continued innovation in the tech industry. One of the most striking predictions for Apple stock in 2025 is that it will be driven by the company's growing focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Some experts believe that Apple's investments in these areas will pay off in a big way, driving growth and revenue for the company. This could be a major factor in the company's stock price, and it's something that investors will be watching closely. The company's ability to integrate AI and ML into its products and services could give it a major competitive advantage, and it's an area that's likely to be a key driver of growth in the future. The potential impact of this prediction on Apple stock is significant, and it's something that investors will want to pay close attention to. If Apple is able to successfully integrate AI and ML into its products and services, it could drive significant growth and revenue for the company. This could, in turn, drive up the company's stock price, making it a good investment opportunity for those who get in early. On the other hand, if the company is unable to execute on its AI and ML strategy, it could have a negative impact on the stock price. The key predictions for Apple stock in 2025 are centered around the company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. The company's growing focus on AI and ML is expected to be a major driver of growth, and its strong brand and loyal customer base are major strengths. However, the company also faces challenges such as increased competition and regulatory scrutiny. Overall, the predictions for Apple stock in 2025 are positive, but there are also potential risks and challenges that investors need to be aware of. The most important thing for investors to take away from these predictions is that Apple stock is likely to be volatile in 2025, with a lot of different factors influencing its price. The company's financial performance, industry trends, and global economic conditions will all play a role, and investors need to be aware of these factors in order to make informed decisions. Let me know in the comments what you think about these predictions for Apple stock in 2025, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights and analysis.